Welcome to Tech Help Canada, where businesses come to support their growth. Today, we're delving into the realm of online business and the proven strategies that can fuel your success. Don't forget that there's a wealth of information and useful resources available for you, so stay tuned. Growing a successful online business starts with focus. It's the compass that guides you through the relentless flow of information and the digital world's clamor for instant results. Today, we're going to learn how to cut through the noise and focus on what truly drives growth. To enhance your focus, begin by setting clear boundaries for social media use and prioritize your tasks. Create an environment that boosts concentration, be it a quiet workspace or tools that limit distractions. Remember, the key to effective growth is to focus on the right activities. Understanding your audience is a crucial step before diving into growth tactics. Knowing who your customers are, what they need, and how they behave online will help you tailor your products and marketing efforts effectively. Now, let's explore the core strategies for business growth. Prospecting is not just about finding new leads. It's also about nurturing a pipeline of potential clients who show interest in what you offer. Tactics like cold emailing, leveraging freelance websites, and engaging potential clients through social media direct messages can be quite effective. Investing in SEO is a great way to boost your online presence. Focus on on-page optimization, like keyword placement, improving site speed, and user experience. Don't forget off-page tactics like link building and managing your Google business profile. If your budget allows, paid advertising can provide quick wins. Start small with platforms where your audience is most active, test your ads, and scale based on performance. Remember, effective ads should resonate with the needs and desires of your potential customers. Integrity should be at the core of your business. Communicate transparently, handle mistakes gracefully, seek genuine feedback, and prioritize your customers' needs. This will build trust and foster long-term relationships. As your business grows, continue reinvesting in marketing. Focus on channels that offer the best returns and maintain consistency in your marketing efforts to keep your audience engaged and loyal. Growing an online business isn't shrouded in mystery. It's about consistent effort, strategic focus, and a commitment to your customers. Keep learning, adapting, and never stop investing in your business's growth. Check out the links in the description for resources and tools that can assist you on your journey. Thank you for tuning into Tech Help Canada. Until next time, keep innovating and pushing beyond the limits.